Alright you guys, so I'm going to start cutting vegetables for my bird's meal for today. So I have a cucumber right now. I'm going to chop this up, the other cucumber, and then we'll move on to the next one. Now we're moving on to broccoli, so I'm going to cut up some of that. And I am probably going to put these in a separate container for my chickens, because I don't feel like using the food chopper today. Alright you guys, now I have some leftover garlic ciabatta bread, and the reason I'm giving them this actually is because garlic is very good for poultry, especially chickens. I haven't heard it used much on ducks, but I know for chickens it can be used as a natural dewormer. Well, not so much a dewormer as it prevents worms from like forming. So yeah, it's definitely good for them to have, and this does have cloves of garlic in it, so yeah. So I decided I am going to chop these up, but I'm just going to chop them up by hand because, I don't know, might save time. Not really, but I don't know. Change of plans, I'm using the chopper. It's taken too long, and I don't think they're fine enough pieces for my duck, so I want to be careful. Corn. Beautiful. I added some dry food too, but it looks great. And grit.